How to use Canvas to record class attendance. From within your Canvas course, you want to click on Settings, and then you will click on Navigation. Usually Settings opens up on the course details, so you'll click on Navigation, and then you'll scroll down to look for the Attendance feature. Once you find Attendance, you want to click on it, and then once we click on it, we'll drag it up and we'll release it up at the top within our course navigation. Make sure that you scroll down and click Save so that you can save your changes. Now you'll notice that you have attendance within your course navigation. So now we want to click on Attendance. When we click on Attendance, it will automatically pull up everyone that's within our course. So you can automatically see all of the students that are enrolled. You can scroll left and right within each date for the course. You can easily mark the attendance for each student by clicking on that student to mark the attendance. Or you can click over on the right where it says More, and this will allow you to look at the student. If the student was late, you can either mark that they were late for the course, or if they did not show up at all, you can select that they did not show for the course. And you can easily do that for all of the students within your course. You can do that for each day as you stroll through the different days. Mark the attendance for the course, and that is just how easy it is to use Canvas to mark attendance for your face-to-face courses. So if you have any questions on this or any other training items within Canvas, please give us a call. You can call the Office of Faculty Development, and we are here at any time to help with your training needs.